Hi students, in the previous session we have gone through a poem My Mother. Today in this session we are going to discuss about choreography of the poem. Unit 1 Family. Be reading My Mother poem. Choreography of poem. Yes, children. What is choreography? Choreography basically is a dance form through which the performer bring out certain themes. We are using choreography as a innovative tool for facilitating language acquisition and also to help the learners to develop deeper understanding of the poem. Children, when we watch dance programs, we select the best one and we appreciate the choreography and we also admire the choreographer. Yes, that is choreography. Students, now let us see the pattern to be followed for the choreography. First of all, we should write the title. Example, the title of our poem is My Mother. Second one, write the theme and characters involved in the poem. Now, here, when you see the theme and characters, the characters are the poet and his mother. And what is the main theme? The love and affection towards his mother. Third one, write the stage setting. Yes, the stage setting, it means what to be set it on the stage. Example, in this poem, we have seen the poet has set it surely flowers, toys, etc. Write the location of the chorus. Chorus is the background music or group of people sung either left side of the dais or the right side of the dais and even back side. Now make a tabular column with the headings such as serial number, stanza, theme and action of the main characters. Now, sixth one, write what you have learnt from the poem as a conclusion. Now, children, let us see the choreography of our poem, My Mother. First, the title, My Mother. Characters, poet's mother and poet. The theme, the love and affection of the mother. The location, poet's house. Stage setting, toys, cradle, incense and surely flowers. Chorus. Chorus is to the right hand side of the stage. Yes, let us see the tabular form. Here you can see serial number, stanza, theme, action of the main characters. Now coming to the serial number 1. In stanza 1, I cannot remember my mother rocking my cradle. Here the theme. What is the theme, children? Mother's lullaby is the sweetest song. Here the poem in the poem, the poet recollects his mother's voice. Coming to the action, mother rocking the cradle, poet thoughtfully looking at the toys. You can see the characters are the mother and the poet. Now, serial number 2, stanza 2. I cannot remember my mother, the scent of my mother. What is the theme here? Perfume of surely flowers reminds the scent of his mother. Yes, here children, the action of the main characters. Mother is offering prayer by burning incense. Poet smells the fragrance and looks at the surely flowers. That means here he is getting reminded all the fragrance of his mother's services towards the God. Third one, I cannot remember my mother spread all over the sky. What is the theme? Mother's gaze is the most peaceful look. Yes, coming to the action, poet looks at the sky thoughtfully. He wants to recollect his mother's face. Coming to the gaze is the most peaceful look. Now children, in the choreography, let us see the final part, conclusion. Mother is a symbol of sacrifice. She is the one who I aspire to be when I grow up. She is my source of inspiration. Mothers make sure that their children are safe and happy throughout their childhood. Yes, students, you can give your own conclusion to the poem. So, we all are born to the great relationship with our mothers. Yes, we love her very much. Thank you.